1 year ago, it was in Taormina, and I met Chrissy, and tomorrow we're gonna marry. So it's fucking crazy.
And fucking beautiful. It was 1 year ago in June. I was planning so long to go to Sicily, Taormina, and I saw him. But he didn't look at me at all the whole evening, and I didn't know what to do. And then I went to him, I say, hi, how are you? Cheers. And then we start to talk. And from this day, we are every day together.
24/7.
And I want to say something about this man who I married today. Fabri is incredible human. He found me, or I found him, and I have to tell you, he is the person who loved me the most in my life, and he take care for me. And really, in my daily life, I'm like a princess. I feel like a princess every day. Every day.
Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not angered, it keeps no record of wrongs, never fail. But where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be still. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.
Сега и във вечни векове. Амин.
Babe, I love you. Very, very much. Обичам те. Много, много, много. You are the love of my life. And not just that you're the love of my life, you show me so many things. You make me to a better person.
Към това младо момче, Фабрицио, искам да отправя специален съвет, така да изкажа. Ключа за успешния брак се крие в 3 думи. Криси, ти си права.
Let's party how we can, how we know each other. All my crazy friends here.
Fabrizio and Christina, having witnessed your vows of love to one another, it is my joy to present to you, to your families and your friends, to France, to the whole world and to God, as truly husband and wife.